Hey, so I just got my Infinix S5. Yes, I know. Don't be jealous. Wow. Let me take a selfie. First thing first. Oh. Yes, so I've just taken my selfie, and you also have all the chances to participate in the Style by Infinix S5 competition and stand a chance to be one of the 5 lucky winners to win $1,000. Hey buddy, $1,000, not 1,000 naira. Yeah, how to participate? Very simple. Just make a selfie video or picture of yourself sharing your glamorous style. You know, something better than this, I know. And don't forget to use the hashtag Style by Infinix and do the most with Infinix S5. Don't also forget to tag friends to share to increase your chances of winning. You might be the lucky winner, or I might take the $1,000 home. All the best. Yeah. You waiting for me to say cut?
Ku danna subscribe domin samun sababbin daɗaɗɗen shirye-shirye.